Myself Shruti Kshatriya. Now I am in 11th standard. I want to learn the foreign language, so I choose to learn the French language for my career aspects. So I searched for the Foreign Language Academy, so I got this Manasi's Language Academy. The experience in this academy to learn a foreign language was very nice. My trainer name is Manasibhadane. She teaches the foreign language very nicely and friendly. She is much friendly that I feel to learn a French language. It's just like a game to learn this language. So I recommend you to join this academy if you want to learn the foreign language like French, German, Japanese, English also. Thank you.